Hey there guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a package from Squishyandrandom off Instagram, also Simple Random on Store Envy. This is my first time ordering from them, but I ordered a lot, so I'm super excited, and I'm excited to see about a new seller. So first off, this is the top of the package. I see a lot of extras in a couple of my purchased items. I will try to start off with the extras and then get into what I bought. So this is actually an extra. That's a purchase item, but this is an extra. It is a chocolate croissant from iBloom. Oh my gosh. It is so soft. And it smells strongly of chocolate. I think it might be one of my favorite chocolate scents I've had so far. And, oh, here are some more extras. This looks like to be an amuse cupcake. And this is a little Rilakkuma charm. Looks like there's water in there. It's not squishy. Here is a Cold Stone Creamery squishy. And I've seen a lot of people get this as an extra. It's a little water charm. It's got a rubber outside, but it is not squishy. And it appears to be a sushi. Alright, I think that's it for the extras. That's a lot of extras and it's very generous. I'm especially blown away by this extra. I could just sit and squish this for hours, but I can't. I need to get on with the actual package. This is a purchase item. This came in a bundle with the 2 hearts. And I really want to get more bread squishies, so I thought it would be good to get these. And these were the 2 color hearts I really wanted. But they were out of stock individually, so when I saw them together in a bundle, I thought I should just get that. Here's this one is more slow rising, but this one's softer. And the rest of the package should be the entire set of iBloom popsicles. Here is series 2. Just take some out real quick. That is so much softer than I expected. It feels like I'm literally squishing nothing. And I can already smell the mint through the packaging. Oh. It is iBloom's Cotton Candy Panda. It is so soft. And here is the Lollipop Girl. This one feels almost denser. I can definitely feel the squish on this. That mint smell is really strong. It smells like Billy the whale that I recently got. Oh, this one's more stuck to the packaging. Can get it. There we go. This one's a lot stickier, has more of a doughy texture to it. It has kind of a grape scent to it. And here are the 2 other pandas. This one's definitely my favorite. It is so pretty. Oh, it's definitely the densest as well so far. But it's really nice. And the remaining should be the lollipop girls, and there's one I'm really excited about. Here is the blue one. Very, very dense. The pink one. Soft again. And this one. I feel like this one is like the first one sold out when Series 2 came out. It's very dense, but oh my gosh. It feels like it's not even rising. Like it just sticks where it is. It's amazing. It's also very pretty. I like all the different colors and contrast. Alright, and this should be Series 1. Not quite sure what's happening here. Hold on one second. Alright, and here are the marshmallow bears. This one's sticky as well. I don't know if you can hear how sticky that is. Has a nice sweet strawberry scent to it. Oh, and I didn't mention, but the stick goes about to right there. And here are the two chocolate designs. And the other strawberry. These are all very soft. There's not a really dense one of these. And finally, here are the penguin popsicles, or ice candies. You can actually see how sticky these are. There we go. I think this is the stickiest one I've had so far. And here are the two other designs. This one is dense, this one's kind of in the middle. And thank you so much for joining me today, and thank you so much, Squishyandrandom. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!